My growing up, Undu, Vanua Levu, has a lot to do with the way Bullicino is today.
Wherever you go, wherever you are, you should be the light, that's who you really are.
Brought up in the country, everything very natural.
So stand upright and be the light, be the light.
My mom was a brilliant cook, fantastic baker. We ate well. There was always a lovely variety of food. We also learned how to catch the prawns, big creeks. We learned to go fishing by the sea. We just enjoyed throwing things on the fire to cook while we waited for. And it was usually the lovely raw cassava, still in the skin, that we would throw on the fire. Take it out, cut it open, and there was that beautiful white flesh that we ate together with fresh coconuts. But all these things that came from the nature around us was just like something very normal for us to have. All my life, I've always thought food has to be natural, food has to be fresh, food has to be real. So that's how Bullicino started, with that concept. And I was fortunate at that time to have my younger daughter and her partner. So together the three of us started by the bridge in Nandi Town, just with a little cafe, just serving breakfast and lunch.
Yeah, in the early days, it was pretty busy for all of us, but I had worked on the menu with my mum. Harley and my mum kind of worked more on the setup of the cafe. Shortly after we opened, Harley and I got married.
Yeah, I guess with the name and the logo, it was just trying to come up with a name that incorporated, aspects of Fiji and was simple and easy for people to remember. We're all about the coffee, and it's a little bit fun because of the coconut coffee cup and the swirl of the coffee in the bilo instead of the kava, and mixed up lettering in the word. And now it's pretty well known, I think.